We're presented with a scar approximately 2 inches in length and 1/4 inch at its thickest. This type of scar is ideal for those new to camouflaging techniques. The first step in the process is blending into the existing hair. Scars often result in shock loss, where hairs fall off permanently around the scar tissue. Our goal here is not just to camouflage the scar, but to rebuild density. As I begin working on the scar, I focus tremendously on stretching the skin and moving from left to right, mirroring the natural progression of writing. After making a few deposits, it's crucial to wipe away any residual pigment. This step is essential for evaluating the deposit's penetration and adjusting our approach as needed. To further enhance our results, we'll employ 2 advanced techniques. The first involves creating a tiny slit with each deposit by angling the needle parallel to the hair growth direction. This mimics the natural hair direction and aids in blending. The second technique, rapid deposit, increases the force to penetrate the skin swiftly, minimizing time within the created cavity. This method is particularly effective in scar tissue where skin texture and integrity may vary. Now, one of my favorite techniques in scar camouflaging involves mixing pointillism with strategic strokes. This advanced method covers more areas and creates a more convincing illusion of hair follicle grain, particularly effective along the sides of the scalp. Strokes are particularly useful for addressing hypopigmented areas, those lighter than the surrounding skin, while carefully balancing the treatment of hyperpigmented or darker areas. This delicate balance is critical as we often have only one chance to get it right. Moving into phase 2, our focus shifts to blending the varying skin tones, addressing hair loss, and integrating the work seamlessly with the existing hair. This stage involves placing smaller or larger deposits strategically to achieve the perfect blend. While work is microscopic, it's the macro view, the overall appearance post-procedure, that remains our ultimate goal. This lesson on scar camouflage bridges the technical precision required to successfully mix the artistic sensibility needed to achieve natural-looking results. It's about more than just hiding scars. It's about restoring confidence and creating a seamless, natural appearance that stands up to both close inspection and the broader perspective.